So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly design a simple and useful website using Google that you can publish and use for your personal purposes. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have and go to this website, which is sites.google.com. Just simply go over there and wait for the site to respond. Once you go over there, just simply click on this option which says start a new site. And once you open it, a page will open right in front of you where you can customize your site. There are multiple settings available for you, multiple templates. You can add text, embed code, and upload things from your drive, images, and you can change the themes as well. Once you are satisfied with all your changes by designing your site, just simply hit publish icon on the top right corner, and your website will be published with a Google domain, and you can customize that domain as well that you can use to access your site. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.